From the top of a 7-meter high building, the angle of elevation of the top of a cable tower is 60 degrees, and the angle of depression of its foot is 45 degrees. Find the height of the tower. So in this question, I have two objects. One is a 7-meter high building, which I am representing like this by AB. Okay. So this is my ground. B is on point on the ground, and A is the top of the tower, top of the building. So I have AB is equal to 7 meters, correct? And there is another tower. I'll represent it as CD. Okay. So C is the top of the tower, and D is the foot of the tower. So the angle of from the top, that means from point A, the angle of elevation of the top of the tower is 60 degrees. That means this angle is 60 degrees. The angle of elevation is always measured with respect to a horizontal line. So this line, I'll call it as AE. It is parallel to BD. Okay. So AE is parallel to BD, and AE is equal to BD. Okay. And the angle of depression of its foot is 45 degrees. That means from this point, angle of depression, that is towards in this direction, depression of the foot of the tower is angle for D. This is 45 degrees. Correct. So we know that the angle of elevation. Okay, fine. We don't need it. Determine the height of the tower. So I have to find what is the value of CD. Correct. So what do I know? I know that since A is parallel to BD and A is here, this is 90 degrees, this is 90, this is 90, and this is 90. So ABDE is rectangle. So DE is same as AB, which is 7 meters. Correct. So I got this height as 7 meters. So if I can find out CE, I will get the length of CD, because that is simply CE plus DE. So I know this. If I know this, if I can get this also, then I'll get CD. So how can I get that? This is a right angle triangle. So, and here also there is a right angle triangle. So if I draw them separately, then what will I get? This is CAE, correct? This is 90 degrees. This is 60 degrees. I have to find CE, and AE I don't know. And here in this triangle AED, I am just inverting it. Point E is here, D is here, and A is here. So this angle is 45 degrees, correct? So I just took the mirror image, that is, I took the point D upwards, that is this point I took it upwards. So then I'll get D here, and this is 90 degrees. And what do I know? I know this length is 7 meters. So if this is 7 meters, then I can find AE, correct? And if I can get AE, I'll put it here, and I can get CE, correct? So what I'm going to, if I do that, I know tan of angle A in this triangle, tan of angle A is equal to DE by AE, correct? What is tan of angle A? That is same as tan 45 degrees. I know tan 45 degrees is 1. So 1 is equal to DE by AE, or AE is equal to DE, which is same as 7 meters. So I got AE is 7 meters. So if this is 7, then this is 7. So if I apply the trigonometric ratio in this triangle now, I will get tan 60 degrees, that is tan of this angle, is equal to CE by AE. So this is equal to CE by AE. This means that CE is equal to AE into tan 60 degrees. The value of AE is 7 meters, and tan 60 is root 3. So this is equal to 7 into root 3 meters. So I got CE, and I also know DE. Therefore the value of CD will be equal to CE plus DE, which is equal to 7 root 3 plus 7, or 7 into root 3 plus 1 meters. This is my final answer.